guys, it's Creative Brick Productions, and today I have an unboxing of a Clone Army Customs package that I got. Or others. So here it is. And I just got a lot of different blasters and a couple helmets. So the blasters is pretty much going to be what I'm going to be using for a new mock that I'm working on currently, and then the rest is just to have for the future. So I got two of these Kashyyyk Trooper helmets just to replace the Lego Phase 2 Kashyyyk helmets. So I don't really like them as much as Clone Army Customs helmets. So that looks a lot better. And I got two of those. And then I just got various Galactic Civil War era blasters. I got a few E11s, I got 4 A280s, couple T21s, RT 97C, some DC-17s, some rocket launchers from the original Battlefront 2. Those are kind of cool. It's kind of different. So yeah, I'll give you a closer look at some of these blasters. So there's the A280. And I have the Brick Arms version of most of these, but for this mock I just wanted to use Clone Army Customs. I don't really want to mix them for this mock. I don't know, just try something different. I got an E11 there to arm some of my Stormtroopers. And then I already have a bunch of DLT-19s and other blasters for the Imperial side. And one last thing that I got was a Boba Fett jetpack for the Episode 6 version. I have the Episode 5 version, the painted, or the printed version, Clone Army Customs, but just wanted to get that to finish off my Episode 6 Boba Fett. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.